Guys, wearing ruby can ruin your married life. I repeat, wearing the gemstone ruby for the planet Sun in your horoscope can spoil and ruin your married life and create divorce like situation if these conditions are there in your horoscope. So I am giving you a warning about the planet Sun and its gemstone ruby. Without knowing this, if you wear a ruby, then definitely you will face issues in your married life and you will become more arrogant, aggressive and abusive towards your spouse, especially in the case of men. So if you want to know the secret of how the gemstone ruby for the planet Sun can spoil your married life, then first you have to subscribe to Purab's Astrology, because only if you subscribe to Purab's Astrology you will get access to such different content. After watching this video in its entirety, if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then hit the dislike button, but show me your genuine reaction. So hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing great and I welcome you back to the secrets of Ruby. I welcome you back to Purab's Astrology. Let's get into this topic. To keep it simple and coming straight to the point, if you have the planet Sun placed either in your first house or placed in the 7th house of your horoscope, irrespective of whatever sign it is, or if you have the planet Sun placed in Aries zodiac sign, that is an exalted sun, or if you have planet Sun placed in Libra, that is a debilitated sun, and if you wear the gemstone of the planet Sun ruby with the belief that ruby will give you confidence, it will give you vitality, it will give you health, it will give you political power, it will give you name, fame, status, all the things that are given by the sun. But there is also a side effect of it, that you will turn into an arrogant, egoistic, abusive and aggressive person, and you will become so over dominating towards your wife, towards your spouse, that it will ruin your married life. And I will prove it why such thing is happening. Now, we all live in a democratic day and age where the kingship is gone. Kings are no longer present. Democracy means it is by the people, for the people, right? So people elect the leaders. So it's a Saturnian ruling system where people come, they cast their vote, and everybody has a choice in selecting your leader. So the political leaders are Saturn dominated these days and not Sun dominated. When empires were there, kingdoms were there, kings were there, that was the age when Sun was more powerful, and Sun is the ultimate. Sun was the king. So if anybody insulted the king or if anybody misbehaved with the king had the authority to punish anybody and even kill someone just for insulting the king. So that is the inherent nature of Sun. Self-respect and ego comes first for planet Sun. And if anybody insults the king orders, take this person and hang him to death. So that is the amount of arrogance and ego which is created by the planet Sun. Now wearing ruby will give you the same ego, will give you the same nature and characteristics of the planet Sun, where you will start feeling like a king, you will start feeling more aggressive and dominant, and you will start exercising your authority. You will start telling people that whatever I say has to be done, otherwise I will take you to task, I will ruin your life, I will punish you, because Sun punishes if nobody follows the direction of the sun, right? Now the first house is the house of yourself, your mind, your personality, your nature, your ego, your confidence. And Sun already placed in the first house, irrespective of any sign, makes you independent, makes you egoistic, makes you confident, overconfident, and makes you highly self-oriented. that you are the king, I am the king, and everybody are subordinate and inferior to me. Now, Sun, when placed in the first house, it will aspect the seventh house with its direct opposite aspect. So, you are wearing a ruby and you are inflating yourself with ego, domination, arrogance, aggressiveness. And this Sun aspecting the seventh house will also inject its energy in the seventh house of your spouse, your wife or husband or life partner. So, what will happen? Ego clashes, ego issues, ego problems, dominating tendency. You will try to control your spouse, you will try to dominate your spouse. I have seen people after wearing ruby, they have become physical, they have physically hurt their spouse because so much of ego and so much of that nature of Sun to burn things is activated wearing this ruby. So I warn you, if you have Sun in the first house or the seventh house, then be very careful in deciding if you should wear a ruby or not, because it will guaranteed ruin your married life. Then I gave a second point that if Sun is in the sign of Aries or if Sun is in Libra, then also you will face this problem. Why? Because even though Aries can be falling in your fifth house, or the zodiac sign Aries can be falling in your sixth house or eighth house or 12th house, you can be any ascendant, but if Sun is placed in Aries, Sun becomes exalted. And an exalted Sun will definitely have all these characteristics and nature of an egoistic king, a dominating person, right? And if anybody disrespects you or challenges you, then the arrogant side of you will come, and out of ego, you will become violent and aggressive and abusive, right? And whenever Sun will be in Aries, Sun will be aspecting the sign of Libra with its opposite aspect. So Sun will again inject its energy into Libra, which is the controller of relationship, marriage and your spouse in Kalpurush. That is, Libra is the universal controller of the seventh house of the horoscope, right? Because in Kalpurush chart, the horoscope of a universal man, the seventh sign is controlled by the energy of Venus, which is Libra. Now, when you will wear ruby, Sun will get more powerful and the aspect of Sun over Libra will become more powerful. So, because of that, what will happen is all the characteristic problem which I told you, becoming dominant, becoming arrogant, becoming abusive, and becoming like a king, that if you don't listen to me, I will destroy you. How can you disobey the king? So, if you have Sun in the first house, if you have Sun in the seventh house in any sign, or if you have Sun in Aries, or if you have Sun in Libra, then don't make the mistake of wearing a ruby, because if you are married and then you wear a ruby, then definitely you will have ego clashes, misunderstandings, abusive nature, and all these things will spoil your married life. If you are not married, you can wear it, but once you get married, please remove your ruby. Otherwise, it will definitely cause permanent damage, because Sun is a malefic. Sun is not a benefic planet, it is a malefic, it is a Krur Graha, it is an arrogant planet, right? So, I hope this video enlightened you. Subscribe to Purab's Astrology if you like this video, and unsubscribe if you dislike this video. Take care of yourself. I love you all. This is Purab signing off from Purab's Astrology. Adios. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.